Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to explain my answer about the question of pronunciation exam. Why we need to learn pronunciation? Because in my opinion, pronunciation is definitely the biggest thing that people notice when you are speaking English. Good pronunciation should be one of the first thing that you learn in English. You can live without advanced vocabulary. You can use simple words to say what you want to say. You can live without advanced grammar. You can use simple grammar structure instead. But there is no such thing as simple pronunciation. If you don't have good pronunciation, you have bad pronunciation. And the consequence of bad pronunciation are tragic. Even if you use correct grammar, people may simply not understand what you want to say. Pronunciation is important because we will sound more natural and learn to speak English more quickly. It will help me listen to English better because we will learn to identify and recognize the sound that other people are making. Vowel definition is a sound produced with a comparatively open configuration of the vocal tract. In everyday language, a vowel is a letter or sound of the English alphabet that is not a consonant. Short vowel is a word contains only one vowel and that vowel appears in the middle of the word. The vowel is usually pronounced as a short vowel. Example like fix and cup. Long vowels is the long vowel sound is the same as the name of the vowel itself. Long vowel sounds are often created when two vowels appear side by side in a syllable. Example are rain and feel. Diphthong is a sound made by combining two vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to another, like the oi sound in oil. Diphthong comes from the Greek word diphthongs, which means having two sounds. Notice the D for double, so diphthongs are double vowel sound in words like chair, fear, or put. Why we need to spell the word correctly is while some spelling mistakes are harmless and funny, many are not. The humble typo not only has the power to make us appear less intelligent than we are. Poor spelling can also create confusion, loss of clarity. So why is spelling words correctly important? In my opinion, having an exact spelling for a word streamlines communication. If there were no standard spellings, reading the written words of others would be slower and more difficult. By following the same rules for spelling words, we can all understand the text we read. Poor spelling distracts the reader and they lose focus. It's hard to read a text for comprehension when it's full of spelling errors. So that's why spell the words correctly is important. A homonym is a word that is said or spelled the same way as another word but has a different meaning. Example like blue. Blue ini bisa warna dan bisa perasaan. Kemudian ada type, bisa mengetik atau juga jenis. Add, bisa menambahkan atau iklan. Right, bisa benar atau bisa kanan. Right. Dan terakhir ada ring, bisa lingkaran dan bisa juga cincin. A homophone can be defined as a word that one pronounce seems similar to another word but has a different spelling and meaning. Example like flower is bunga, floor is tepung. 2. Accept is menerima, accept is kecuali. 3. There is mereka, there is di sana. 4. To untuk, to dua. And the last one, 5. Male is pria, male is surat. A homograph is one of two or more words which are spelled identically but which have completely separate meaning, origin, and possibly pronunciation. For example, fan is bisa kipas angin dan bisa juga penggemar. To is fly, bisa terbang dan bisa juga lalat. 3 is minute. Minute is bisa kecil atau sangat kecil dan bisa juga diartikan sebagai menit. Bar bisa batangan atau tempat atau cafe. The last one is bat, bisa kelelawar dan bisa juga tongkat. Okay, finish. That is my answer to all the question. I was do my best. I'm sorry if I made mistake. Thank you.